guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel Banks and I plan to bring you beauty to beauty. Okay guys, so I just got home from work and what came in the mail today but my single swag box. So today is going to be a single swag unboxing. So I'm super excited. That's why I love these boxes, because it's like a little treat when you come home from work, you know, just to have like some gifts waiting for you when you get home. So as usual, I'm about to just dig right into the box. You get a description card that tells you like the prices and it tells you about the product or whatnot. So we'll go through each product and I'll tell you the price of the product. So the first thing that I see on top is this Pure Lisse treatment sheet mask, and it says it's going to intensely moisturize, nourish, and renew. And this is Blue Lotus and white tea. Okay, so this is a different one than they sent before, so can't wait to try this one out. And this retails for $38. And on the description card it says, love your skin with these soothing, firming, a natural fiber mask infused with Blue Lotus, white tea, and restorative Asian botanicals. So I can't wait to try that. It's $38, so it's a box of 6 masks, which is good because I was running low. I gave a few of my masks out for Christmas, okay, being generous. And then I started running low and I started like, ooh, shouldn't have gave them out. So I'm glad I got some more masks in this box. The next thing that I got here is the Real Her I'm a Rock Star Lady Love matte liquid lipstick, and this is retailing for $18. Let me see if I can open it. My house smells good already. I just got in the house, y'all. Ran in the kitchen, put some wings in a pan, seasoned it up really good. I put some salt. It's simple. Sea salt, coarse black pepper, garlic powder, and some of my favorite smoked paprika. So very simple seasonings tonight, and my house smells phenomenal already. I just stuck it in the oven. And whenever I'm making quick meals like this during the week, especially if I'm cooking like wings, and wings cook super fast, I usually put it in. I don't cover it with foil, and I put my oven on for 450, and in about an hour and a half, I will have some delicious crispy skinned chicken wings, and it will be so good and juicy still. Like, it won't be dried out. I know people are like, okay, you don't put anything on it. No, I don't cover it with anything, and I put it on for, again, about an hour and a half at 450, and it's like perfect wings. Now everybody's oven is different, so I do recommend like within like the hour to go and check, because you don't want to burn your wings up. But this is what I do when I'm like in a hurry. So I came in, I said I want to film this video, so I ran in, put the wings on, got the kids situated, and came and sat down to film this video. So back to the single swag box. So this is the color that they sent in this box. And it is the Real Her liquid lipstick, and it is $18. Ooh, so the next thing that's in the box is this Italian chocolate. So this is Italian milk chocolate. I don't know the difference between American and Italian milk, but I'll find out. And this chocolate bar is worth $5. So this chocolate bar is worth $5. Okay, and it says that this milk chocolate bar, indulge in the delectable premium chocolate bar prepared with high quality cocoa beans and extra cocoa butter for balance and texture. This says something like cicada milk chocolate bar, so, or something like that. Oh, okay, so it's the same thing. That's the name brand of it. So it's Italian milk chocolate bar. Let me try a little bit. And this is going to be amazing tonight when I have my nice glass of wine. So my nephew gifted me a few bottles of wine for Christmas because he knows how much his auntie loves wine. So thank you, nephew. I'm so appreciative of my wine. And this is going to be the first bottle that I open. It's just a little Cabernet. So I'm going to drink me a glass of this tonight when I eat my baked chicken and my jasmine rice. I'm going to pair it with some jasmine rice. And I get my jasmine rice from Trader Joe's. It's really inexpensive. Throw it in the microwave, done in a couple of minutes. I'm going to pair that with my jasmine rice. And I'm going to probably throw some of my vegetables in the pan once the chicken is almost done. I'm telling y'all, quick, easy meals. Throw your chicken in the oven. You know, right when it's about to get done, throw you some vegetables in there too. Broccoli, anything cooks well in the oven, trust me. Asparagus, Brussels sprouts, broccoli. I've even cooked broccoli in a pan. String beans, I have done it all just about. The only things I probably wouldn't throw in the oven pan is corn and sweet peas, and I don't really eat sweet peas and corn like that, so if I did, I probably would throw it in there too. But that's what I usually do, and it's an easy, quick meal. You'll have your jasmine rice, some vegetables, and some baked chicken, and throw you in a roll if you want to eat a roll, and you will have a terrific dinner. But I'm going to pair it with this wine. I can't wait to try it. I might even try it on camera and let you guys know how it tastes. So I'm super excited about that. But anyways, let me try a little piece of this chocolate bar. Okay. This is really good. Oh my God, this is so good. This is themom.com. So good. I want to eat another piece. This is good. Oh, that's so good. It's worth $5. Okay. The next thing that's in the box is this Zoe Classy Rose Gold Eyelash Curler. Oh my God, this thing retails for $40. This best-selling eyelash curler was designed by professional makeup artists and is supposed to be like effortless and precise application and results. I was going to open it up, but it's just a eyelash curler. So this past weekend, I've been rocking my lashes. So I needed me a little lash curler to help out with my lashes or my real lashes. Because I don't have one, surprisingly. As much as I love makeup, I do not have me a lash curler. What? Okay. So the next thing that's in the box is this Nico New York Silver. Nope. Let's see. What is this? I don't know, y'all. Oh, look, I got something extra. Let me make sure. I sure did. I got something extra that's not even on the card. So they sent me this lemon hand cream. I'm going to have to look up the price and add it to this video so you all can see it. It's not even on the card, so this is something extra. I love when they send me lotions and stuff like that, because then it's easy for me just to throw in my work bag and take it to work. So I'll have me some moisturizer at work. So I like to use my moisturizer at night that's gonna like deeply penetrate my skin and keep it nice and moisturize at night here in the home. And then for like other moisturizers like this that I get in the box, I like it to take it to work because I wash my hands more often. So that's super exciting. Oh, they gave me something extra. Okay. The next thing that I have in the box is this Patty Buffer built-in cleanser, cleanse and buff all-in-one sponge. Ooh. So this is a buffer. This is gonna be good for like your feet. And this is worth $16. It says treat your feet with this body wash infused buffer with the built-in cleanser and soothing extract that will whisk away dry skin and leave your feet soft and silky smooth. Okay, so I can't wait to try this out. Hopefully it works out. And this is $16. So the next thing in the bag is this. Is this by the same brand? No. Thought I had said Nico. But it's this Nico duster. It says Nico, New York. And it's this beautiful necklace right here. And I'm telling you guys, one of the top reasons why I love single swag boxes is because you always get some sort of jewelry in it. So you get a treat and you get some jewelry. So ain't nothing better than that. Oh, this is gorgeous too. Look at, oh my goodness. This is so cute. I love their necklaces. They have me like stepping out the box all the way around. Now, I'm not really big into like costume jewelry, but since I've been getting my jewelry from Single Swag, I've been into it. In fact, I ordered me some pieces from my girl. She sells the paparazzi jewelry. Oh my God, it is thebomb.com. Thebomb.com. But I love when I get pieces like this. Look at that. Can you see that? Look at how thick this bar is. This is awesome. This is so amazing. And this necklace is worth, let me find it, $64. Look at how thick and pretty that bar is. That will be so nice with like a nice, you know, something to pop against, like a dark blue or black shirt. Any color shirt, but like something, you know, it's going to be pretty. I'm so excited. Okay, and last but not least, I got this Headbands of Hope. It looks like a hat. Let's see, Headbands of Hope Black Confetti Beanie. And this is worth $32. It says, stay cozy and comfy all winter long with this soft, versatile, slouchy style beanie that can be worn longer in a laid-back boho way or pulled on tight to seal out the frigid winds. Okay, awesome. So you can kind of like wear it back a little bit, or you could just pull it down over your ears. I have a big head. I probably will not have the luxury of being able to rock anything back boho style. But this is what the hat looks like here. In fact, let me try it on. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. It's got a little slouch to it. My head not that big, huh? Yes, it is. Don't come for me in the comments. I know I got a large head, but this hat is pretty cute. I'm loving it. Feeling the hat. Okay, so this was a very successful Single Swag bag or box. I'm excited to try everything that came in it. The box retails, the box value, the items in the box cost $213. So let me go pour me a glass of this wine so I can get myself together for tonight. My daughter is over here trying to hound me about this chocolate. Like, no, this is mommy's treat. That's why I don't open my chocolates. If you watch any of my other Single Swag videos, I tell you, I don't open up my treats until my kids go to sleep and my husband is not home. I wait until they go to sleep. Why? Because I want to enjoy my treats for myself. This is my I love myself box. Is for mommy. Mommy only. Mommy gonna be selfish with her chocolate. I know you all hear her laughing in the background. She think it's a joke. Mommy gonna eat this chocolate by herself. So let me go ahead and try this wine. Okay, guys, so I went and opened up my a bottle of wine, and I put it in my pure wine glass. I love these glasses because if they do fall or anything, they do not shatter, they do not break. This is glass, not glass, plastic. And I love these wine glasses. They're so gorgeous. They're so cute. Look at the color. So let's try. Yes. Yes. Oh my God, this is so good. This is really good. Thank you, nephew, so much. I really appreciate it. This is good. I think this is the one he said, no. It was the Zinfandel, I think he said was his favorite. So I can't wait to try that one too. But this one is really, really good. I'm so excited. It's going to go really well with my chicken. Hopefully I don't drink the whole bottle tonight. But depending on how these kids act determines what's going to happen. Hopefully you all really, really enjoyed this video. I really had a good time. Just put my bottle down. I really had a good time filming this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. What are you waiting for if you don't subscribe to this channel? And then I want you guys to like and share my videos. I definitely want to grow my Rachel Banks family, so make sure you join my family. My baby girl said, please subscribe. Say, please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Yeah, so subscribe to my channel. And then to all my existing subscribers, I appreciate your support. Thank you so very much. And I will talk to you all soon. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.